Hey guys, it's your girl Kanisha Lachelle here, and thanks for tuning in to this video that I have for you today. So as you already read by that title, I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed this seamless, natural looking glue-in quick weave baby. But do not mind my natural hairs. I have not flat ironed them yet, but I will be doing so in another video. But I will be giving you a very informative review on this hair if you're interested in purchasing it for yourself. So let's get to it. Alright, so time to do an overview of the products and things that I'm going to be using. So of course, I'm going to be needing a wig cap to protect my hair, a comb, don't mind the glue particles in it, scissors, can't forget the glue, and a razor blade, but this is optional. I only use this to split the tracks if I need to do so. Alright, so let's get into this hair, honey. So today I'm going to be using the Model Poise Human Hair MasterMix in the style of rolled bob in the 8-inch form. Rocking it in the color of number 1, which is black, in case if you didn't know. But let's first get into this packaging. I love the packaging. I wish that I could have got in the frame, but I will insert a clip so that you can see the full packaging. It's like a sweet tart kind of candy roll. It is so freaking cute. Okay, so as I said in the beginning of this video, I will be doing a very informative and detailed review and description on this hair. So starting with the packaging, I tried to take the packaging, well, get these little, okay, I tried to take it loose with my hands, but it wasn't working that way. One thing that I can say with the packaging, that the packaging is super sealed tight, airtight. Is no getting into it with just some slight pulling and tugging. So if you are concerned about if bugs can get into your hair, or if it's waterproof, if you got to do some traveling, or whatever your case may be, my opinion is that no bugs can get into this hair packaging, or water should not seep through this packaging. Like I said, you never know what somebody's condition may be. They may have a run-in with those two things, so I'm letting you know that the packaging is sealed tight and airtight. As you see, I'm having a hard time trying to get it out of the daggone packaging. So it's wrapped pretty good, and it's tied up with the little stringy stuff. I don't know what it's called, but it's great. As far as the colors that the hair offers, it offers the colors number 1, 1B, 2, 4, and 99J, OT 27, OT 30, OT 530, OT purple, OT blue silver, OT rose gold, OT pink gold, F1B30, F4B30, and the hair is also US patent. Alright, so getting into the hair. First off, look at that sheen. It has a nice glossy natural sheen, almost like natural like hair fibers. Getting into the hair format, that bend, the bend is awesome. I feel as though you should not have to use any type of heat on this hair because it has a natural bend. Next clip, I will get a little bit more into it. Okay, so in the inside as well as the outside, it does let you know what color hair that you got. Getting into the hair a little bit more, so 8 wefts of hair comes in this packaging. The wefts are pretty thick as well too. The hair is not thin. The hair wefts is thick enough so that you can split the track if you run out of hair, so that you can have enough hair. But I just wanted to show you guys that it does have 8 wefts in this hair, and the hair is nice and thick. Back to the hair, I don't think that you're going to need to use any flat irons on the hair because, like I said in the last clip, it already has a natural bend. One way to be able to protect that bend, the only thing that you need to do is wrap your hair up with flexi rods or traditional rollers. And I wanted to let you guys see a better look of the wefts. I think I'm going to come up a little closer. I hope that I do. If I don't, I think I'm also counting to make sure that it is 8 wefts. But the hair is great quality. I paid $9.99 for this hair. I did purchase it from my local beauty supply store, and yes, I am showing you guys the weft. It is pretty thick. I wish that I would have zoomed in to kind of show you guys a little bit more. Like I said, you're gonna get more than 8 rows of tracks in your hair. I know some people like, you could say it's only 8 wefts. 8 wefts doesn't mean that you're only gonna have 8 rows of tracks. I actually have 20 rows of tracks in my hair, if that's informative. I also wanted to show you guys shedding resistance. There is not a lot of shedding in this hair at all, so I'm actually going through pulling, very significantly hard, like tugging, just so I can show you guys. And that is the only amount of hair that I got from doing my shed test. Very few strands, so it is absolutely amazing when it comes to shedding. Alright, so I wanted to show you guys how I sectioned my hair off. So pretty much what I did was try to part my hair from ear to ear in the front, split it off, put that hair towards the front, slick the rest down, if that's making sense. And yeah, it's not parted evenly, but I'm gonna make it work. All I'm gonna end up doing is throwing a cap over the back part to protect my hair, so let's roll with it. So I do want to say right now, most of this is self-explanatory. Like, I know you guys seen plenty of videos on YouTube with people doing their hair. So I did make it a point for me not to show as much because I think, you know, you may not want to see it. But then again, I'm not sure. So I was assuming in this case. But all I'm doing right now is just taking my wig cap out of the packaging, as you just seen. I'm placing it on my hair, the part that I have laid down. Once I put that on my hair, I'm going to make sure that it's on there the way that I like. If I have any excess bulging, like the little, the little part you see sticking out, all I'm gonna do is take and tuck that under the back part of the wig cap, and then I'm just gonna begin the glue down process. Very simple. I'm gonna explain to you how I'm gonna be gluing down the hair. So starting off in the back, I'm gonna be doing from ear to ear, or hairline to hairline, okay? Technically right now I'm trying to figure out where I want to start gluing the hair down. If I want the hair to be shorter, if I want the hair to be a shorter length, I'll take the hair up higher onto the wig cap. If I want the hair to be longer, which I'm taking it down now, I will take it down lower on the wig cap. So we'll cut the hair to my liking, the length that's gonna do the hairline to hairline. And as far as the glue down process, I am going to glue the hair down on the wig cap, but as you see, some of my hair is left out. I can't explain. You see the part with the messed up part right, and the hair that's flat right there. My goal is to put the track on the flatness and take it across the wig cap so that the wig cap will be extra secured, if that makes sense. It makes sense to me, but it may not make sense to you, and I do apologize for that, but that's what I'm doing. So pretty much like I just said, and I'm doing too much talking, it's just doing ear to ear over top of the wig cap. Then once I make my way to the front, you guys are going to see what I'm doing. I'm just going to be parting the hair. It's hard for me to explain, man, or I'm making it hard, but you guys can see what I'm doing. It should make sense to you. If it don't, feel free to leave a comment down below if you want to see a more detailed video with me actually explaining more in depth what I'm doing. But me actually installing the hair, I'm just doing a quick run through, just showing you. That part's not going to be detailed. But yeah, I'm done talking. I'm going to put in some music and turn it up and let y'all relax. All right, so I am done with my install right now. I'm shaking, make sure that it's sturdy. Do not mind my leave out because I have to, flat iron it. I also need to put some mousse on it to lay it flat to blend it in with the track so it can look seamless and really natural. But right now I just want y'all to see like how my edges are looking. Look at it. It looked like it my damn hair coming out my head, and it's really gonna look like it's my hair once I put that heat to my roots, although I don't want to. But I may just end up just putting the mousse or wrap lotion, wrapping around my edges and just tie it down. I'm loving it so far. Do not mind the piece of track that y'all about to see in a second, and don't mind my edges. Like I just said, I'm really trying to figure out if I want to put heat on my hair or if I just want to try to put mousse and some beeswax and some wrapping strips to try to lay my edges, because as y'all see, they toe up. But the hair will look good once I take care of my hair. But I just want y'all to see how I, made it look the way that I did. I will be doing another video of me actually flat ironing my hairs and also styling this hair, so stay tuned, stay tuned, stay tuned. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. As you can see, I'm feeling myself right now. I don't know why. Well, I do know why, because I got hair back in my hair and I missed it so much. But if you guys would like to see a more detailed video as far as how I installed the hair to make it look like it's coming out of my scalp, then get this video to 100 likes, okay? If you want to see me actually like I said, a detailed video of the install. But see you guys in my next video.